Welcome back to the channel. Today let us move on to the fourth question. Fourth question is sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So this is our question. So let us start solving. Now let us first substitute the values. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Next, let us substitute for the denominator part. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree is 1. So now we have substituted the values. Let us solve. Now this is our numerator, this is our denominator. Now again we have small fraction. This is our big fraction and these are our small fractions. So here for 1, if nothing number is there, it means 1 is present. Here for this one also, if nothing number is there, 1 is present in the denominator, please. Now you can see that here the denominators are different. So as we have already learnt in the previous sum, whenever the denominators are same, the numerators get added up easily. But when denominators are different, numerators cannot get added up easily. Instead we are supposed to take LCM. So now let us take LCM. First let us take LCM for these two. Then whatever answer we get from these two, then we will take LCM between this answer and this number. Now 1 ones are 1 into 1, 2 into 1, 1 into 2. This is how we take LCM. So 1 ones are 1 plus 2 ones are 2. Again here 2 ones are 2. So this is our first LCM. Remaining minus 2 by root 3 whole divided by, similarly let us take LCM for these two numbers first. 2 into 2, root 3 into 1, root 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. This plus, and let us write this 1 by 1 as it is. Next step. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 whole divided by 4 plus root 3. See, 4 is another type of number. Root 3 is another type of number. These two are not like terms. So we cannot add these two. Instead we will keep them as it is. 4 plus root 3 by 2 root 3 plus 1 by 1. Next, now we have two different fractions, right? So for this we are supposed to take LCM now. So root 3 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into root 3. Similarly 1 into 4 plus root 3, 2 root 3 into 1, 1 into 2 root 3. What will be getting? 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 whole divided by 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. The entire thing is divided by 4 plus root 3 is one single term. 4 plus root 3 into 1 is 4 plus root 3. Now this plus we have written it here. 2 root 3 into 1. 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 into 1. 2 root 3. So next step. So this is a different term and this is a different term. This is not having any root. So therefore these two are unlike terms. We cannot add or subtract unlike terms. So we'll keep it as it is. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 whole divided by, now 4 is just a number. It is not having any root along with like root 1, root 2, root 3, nothing is there. Here we have root 3. Here we have 2 root 3. So these two are like terms. Basis inside the root, the number is same. So therefore whenever the number which is present inside the root is same, then its outer number can get added up. So here for root 3, nothing number is there, which means 1 is there. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. So 4 plus 3 root 3. This 4 remains as it is. This 4 remains as it is. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Now this denominator as they are same, they'll get cancelled. Will remain with 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. You can either change it. 4 plus 3 root 3 or 3 root 3 plus 4 both mean the same. So this is not our final answer. No, we have got 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So this is our equation whatever we have got. So now we are supposed to rationalize it. So our next step will be rationalization of whatever equation or the number we have got. So the equation what we have got is, the fraction is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So as we have already learned in our previous sum, how do we rationalize? The denominator term will be multiplying this fraction with the denominator, but the sign of the denominator will change. Correct? So this particular fraction is multiplied with the denominator itself, but the sign will be changing. 3 root 3, 4 will come, it will be minus 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. So we are multiplying this with this number. Now as you can see, it is looking like a minus b into a minus b by a plus b by a minus b. Isn't it looking like that? So a minus b, it is nothing but, it is saying that a minus b the whole square, and this is a plus b into a minus b. So now for this upper one we'll be applying this formula, and for the lower one we'll be applying this formula. So what is the formula for a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now in this case our a value is 3 root 3 and b value is 4. So similarly for this one, a plus b into a minus b. Formula for a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Same again here, a value is 3 root 3, b value is 4. So these are our formulas which we will be applying in this sum. Right? So now let us start solving. For this upper numerator we will be applying this formula. So our a value is 3 root 3. So a square minus 2, I have written 2, a. 2 is multiplied with a and b. Our a is 3 root 3. A into b. B value is 4. Plus, this plus already it is there in formula. Whatever sign is there, will be substituting same signs, and this square everything will be of formulas only. B value is 4. 4 square. So we are done with numerator part. Next, it is divided by, it is a plus b into a minus b, correct? So our formula is this a square minus b square. So a is 3 root 3, a is 3 root 3 square minus the same minus b square, b is 4 square. Understood? Next, let us solve 3 root 3 the whole square. Now they are saying 3 root 3 the whole square, which means this 3 is also squared and root 3 is also squared. In between these two, again multiplication is there. 3 root 3 the whole square means this 3 is also squared, root 3 is also squared. Let me do 3 square means 3 into 3 is 9 into dot is into root 3 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square is only 3 because root will get cancelled. Root 3 into root 3, roots will get cancelled, only 3 will come. These two will not get multiplied and become 9. No. Roots will get cancelled, only the number will come as 3. So answer is 27. So which means that 3 root 3 the whole square, answer is 27. So let me write in place of this as 27. We have solved it. Minus 2 into 3 is 6. We won't be multiplying with root 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 24. Root 3 comes as it is. I'll say once again. Only the outer number. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Root 3 comes as it is. Plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Divided by 3 root 3 the whole square. We know 3 root 3 the whole square value is 27. 27 minus the same minus 4 square is 16. Now 27 and 16 are like terms. This is an unlike term because this is having root. These two are not having root. So here for 27 sign is plus. If no sign is present, it means plus is there. If no number is present, it means 1 is there. So if no sign is there, plus is there. So plus 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16 is 11. So this is our final answer for fourth question. So now let us move on to fifth question. Fifth question is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So this is our question. So first step is we'll substitute the values for each and every ratio, trigonometric ratios. So we have 5. So we'll keep that 5 as it is. If nothing is there, it means it is multiplication. So instead of multiplication, let us put the bracket. So 5 I've written cos square 60 degree. So first we'll write cos 60 degree value. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 and here we have power 2, that is square. We'll put for this 1 by 2 plus 4 into secant 30 degree. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. This square we'll put for this number. Tan 45 degree. Here we don't have any number, so we'll leave it as it is. Tan 45 is 1. Square is there, we'll put for 1 square. Divided by sin square 30 degree. So first let us put sin 30 degree value. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Since we have square here, we'll put square. Next, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Since we have square here, we'll put square. Next step, let us open up the brackets. So for opening up the brackets, we have to solve it, which means they're saying 1 by 2 the whole square. So 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. So 5 into 1 by 4. So now this 2 is gone, plus 4 into, so it is 2 by root 3 the whole square, which means 2 is multiplied 2 times. Root 3 is also multiplied 2 times. 2 2s is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Minus 1 square. 1 1 is 1. Whole divided by 1 by 2 the whole square. It is 1 by 4. Plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. It is 3 by 4. Now let us solve. 5 1s are 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by, since here we have same denominators, our numerators get added up. So it is 4 by 4. Done. See here what I did? I multiplied numerator with numerators. Next, here we have different denominators. So let us take LCM. First we'll take LCM for these two. Then whatever answer we get, that answer will be taking LCM with this one. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 into 16. 16 4s are 64 by 4 3s are 12 minus 1 by 1 whole divided by. We have here 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are, which means it is only 1. So either you write or don't write. It doesn't matter. Now 15 plus 64 is 79 by 12 minus 1 by 1. So it is not necessary to write this one. We'll leave it as it is. Now we'll take LCM for this. 1 into 79 is 79 minus 1 into 12 is 12 divided by 12 ones are 12. So 79 minus 12 is 67 by 12. So this is our final answer for 5th question. So this solves our 11.2 exercise, first main.